Welcome to this Whisky Partners tutorial on how to verify your account. First, log into your account and then press the red Verify button at the top of the page. Check your details before pressing the Update button at the bottom of the page. After pressing Continue, please enter the country where your identification documents originated from. You will then be shown a list of accepted forms of ID. These include passports, driving licenses and resident permits here in the UK. You'll next be asked to upload a photo of your ID. For this stage, we'll use your mobile phone. Use your mobile phone's camera to scan the on-screen QR code. Alternatively, you can receive a link via SMS. Ensure that you don't close the screen on your computer throughout this process. Grant access to your phone's camera and take a photo of your ID. Check the image for any issues and retake if needed. Next, upload a selfie of yourself to verify your ID. Please remove glasses if necessary. Once you're satisfied, click the Continue button and you'll be prompted to return to your computer. And that's it. You've now successfully verified your Whisky Partners account.